in. My phone's ringing, so I kind of want to make sure I didn't miss something important. Um, phone, sorry. It's toll free. That's called me before. I recognize the number. Like, I literally have it memorized. Shame on you, 800-733-2767. And no, I did not look at that. I have it stuck in my head because they've called me an annoying amount of times. So, yep, I'm reporting you on one of my tutorials. That's right. Oh, yeah. And just demonstrated the whole. I bet it's that toll free number again. Like, not only on my cell phone, but on the. Yep, same exact number.
Call from toll free.
Look it. That's the exact same number. 733-2767. Same one that just called my cell phone like a minute ago. Shame on them, huh?
Hi, this is Cindy, American Red Cross blood donor and
Do they have the link? It's hard to hear them from right here, right? Anyway, so um, uh, what? Did toll free just seriously trigger my fire alarm, which is based on audio? Okay, if you're a lucid dreamer, do a reality test because this is a strange series of events. I will be right back and do a reality test myself, of course, and then fix all this. Right, so everything's good. Thanks for asking. But that was a very strange series of events. Unfortunately, my reality test showed that I wasn't dreaming. Anyway, let's continue with this because of that. Otherwise, I'd be doing other things and abandoning you guys. But then again, none of this would be real and it wouldn't matter. So anyway, let's continue. So, I think I'm just gonna